Itel is offering its A23 Pro 4G smartphone at just 3,899 rupees to Jio users in India. Last month, we saw Chinese smartphone brand Itel partner with Reliance Jio to offer an ultra-affordable smartphone to Jio customers in India. Following the report, the company recently launched the Itel A23 Pro in India at a retail price of 4,999 rupees. However, Itel has also announced that it will offer the A23 Pro at a discounted price to Jio customers. Itel A23 Pro. The Itel A23 Pro is essentially an entry-level 4G-enabled smartphone that caters to the low-income population of India. The device features a 5-inch display with 480x854p resolution, along with a low-end VGA camera and a soft flash at the front. On the back of the Itel A23 Pro has a single 2MP rear camera that's capable of capturing low-res images. Under the hood, there is a quad-core Unisoc SC9832E chip clocked at 1.4 GHz. You will also find 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage onboard. Plus, there is support for a micro SD card slot that can help expand the storage up to 32 GB. In addition, there is a 300 mAh battery inside. The device comes with 4G Volt and dual SIM support, so you can use your Jio, Airtel vSIM with it. The device also features Smart Face Unlock, which the company claims can unlock the device in 0.2 seconds. It runs Android 10, Android Go Edition, out of the box and comes in 2 color variants, namely Sapphire Blue and Lake Blue. Itel A23 Pro price and availability for Jio users. Although the device retails for 4,999 rupees in India for general customers, Jio users can get the A23 Pro at just 3 rupees. 899. This makes the device the most affordable 4G-enabled smartphone in India to date. Moreover, Itel and Jio users will get benefits worth 3,000 rupees, including recharge plans starting at 249 rupees and more. Itel A23 Pro is currently available to buy on Reliance's online store and at your nearest Reliance Digital or My Jio stores.